Rape, sodomy and indecent assault, all part of the ugly reality of sexual crimes. Research conducted by a children's institute shows that children experience high levels of abuse and neglect in their homes, schools and communities, and only a small portion of abuse is reported to police. Added to that, a delay in the reporting of child sexual abuse was identified, with 33% of cases reported after the window for the administration of post-exposure prophylaxis or PEP had closed. The criminal justice system is also seen as not enabling.
The issues regarding the impossibility or the difficulties when it comes to prosecutions or enrolling cases to the magistrate courts for minors or children under the age of 12 has been one of the very concerning or major problem in the South African criminal justice system, in ensuring that enough medical examination as well as the rape, sexual assault kits are actually collected so that enough evidence could be corroborated in order to build enough case in court.
This systemic shortcoming was brought sharply to the fore when 12 boys from Lethabong were allegedly sodomized and sexually assaulted. It is alleged that the man who was employed at the local hardware store lured the minors to the store and showed them pornography before sexually assaulting them.
Tuma ke ne ke tsamalena ba sala go ntle e ke tsena go ena a ba pula a go bontsha di-video tsa mogoma a ba tlo nka pula ntse ke kapage a ba nka pula
ne ke na le tšhomi ka mosana ga sena fetse ne re feta ba re bitsa ba gore re mo tshware mo pele ga re fa tšhelete be re tsamagile re ka dizimba
e be ntato wa teng o a tla ko rona e ba re bontsha video tsa sex.
The prosecutor, however, decided not to enroll some of the cases as there were discrepancies in the statements obtained from the boys. The man has since been released. Social workers say it is more difficult to prosecute cases involving children.
There is a delay with regards to the cases of minors as opposed to the adult when it comes to rape for them to get justice. So in such cases, maybe from the social work's perspective, would be expected to write certain reports intended to court will be the victim impact report. That is the report that assess the impact of crime that the child have suffered. The communities can assist the victim and report such cases within 72 hours to the police stations for the medical attention, because the delay would be if, for an example, such cases are not reported in time.
This rape survivor, sexually assaulted in 2015, says it took him years to recover from the trauma.
Back then in 2012, when I was 15 years old, I was victimized by rape. And it was not simple for me because I was still young and looking at the gender that I'm in as a male. I was afraid even to open up because I was asking myself several questions on how the world will react and how my family will react towards the story. So that on its own, it affected even my academics because I repeated twice where I had to try to fight that on my own because it took me for about 3 years to open up to my family. If you can go to the police station and report such cases, they can even laugh at you and ask you that, how can that happen? Aren't you men strong? So those kind of things makes young men to be demoralized, more especially in coming to reporting cases like that.
Activists say while amendments were made to the Sexual Offences Act to close loopholes, they do not always address fundamental issues.
And I must highlight the law prosecutions were sitting at 8.6% in South Africa right now. And it's a very shocking number given the present circumstances. The amendments in the Sexual Offences Act that have been proposed in Parliament by the Minister of Justice, among other things, they have introduced new categories in order to strengthen or broaden the scope in the legislation to protect young people who are victims of this kind of crime, of which is sexual assault. For instance, it's going to be a criminal offense whenever you know that a child has been sexually violated and you're not saying anything about it or you're not reporting it. You may actually get a direct imprisonment.
Northwest Police say the investigation into the alleged sexual assault of the young boys in Lethabong is underway and will only comment once it is complete. Tebogo Phakedi, SABC News, Lethabong, near Rustenburg.